If you are not following this page, you are definitely missing. You know why? Because we virtually release 2 to 3 videos every single day that passes by. Now let's take a quick look at this question. In this question, we ask, what is the effect of increasing temperature on the yield of ammonia in the reaction below? Look at the reaction here. Look at the reaction. Now, this is a typical what? Exothermic reaction. Exothermic because the sign here, the enthalpy change here is what? Is negative. And in exothermic reaction, anytime temperature is increased, the reaction favor the backward reaction. This side is favored. But by the time you decrease the temperature, the reaction favor what? The forward reaction. Do you get that? So in this case now, we are asked that if you increase temperature, what will happen? Look at this is herbal process of what? Ammonia production. So if you increase temperature, the reaction will favor this side. It means that there will be less production of what? Ammonia. The less production of what? Ammonia. So the correct option is what? Option B. There will be what? Less production of what? Ammonia, because the forward reaction leads to the production of ammonia. The backward reaction leads to the reactant. Do you get that? Now, if you increase temperature, Letettler's principle says that anytime if a system is in a chemical equilibrium, this is equilibrium system, and any external constraint is being imposed on the equilibrium will shift in order to annul that effect. So now, if you add temperature into this side now, the equilibrium now will adjust. Remember, this process, this herbal process, heat is being released because it's exothermic reaction. So heat is being what? Released. So if you now add more temperature now, the effect will now do what? Will try to shift to this side in order to cool the temperature. That is why is less ammonia produced. Less ammonia is produced because here more heat is being released. So if you decrease temperature, here, which normally favor the production of ammonia, the heat that is being released will try to, the ammonia here will try to generate more ammonia, so that heat will continually be released. But if you increase temperature, already heat is being released, and now you are adding more heat to it, the equilibrium will shift to this side, because heat that is already released is sufficient. Now you are adding more heat, so equilibrium will now shift to